Welcome back to the new news. Temperatures all over the place, teens, 20s, 30s across the region. One thing that is also all over the place is snow. We're seeing a lot of it developing here, especially now through central and starting to move into eastern Montana, northern Wyoming. So the push is on from west to east across the region. Temperatures are as cool as 12 up in Cutbank, but as warm as 37 in Worland, Wyoming. 33 was the last report from the airport over in Missoula, and then a lot of teens through the central portion of Big Sky Country here. We also have a lot of visibility concerns. These are reports from airports all across central and eastern Montana now, where a lot of this, where it says foggy, basically it's areas where we have the snow blowing around. And the winds have also increased a little bit here as we made it through midday. And the winds aren't especially gusty, with the exceptions of areas like Livingston and Cutbank over 20 miles an hour. Kalispell Airport reported 23-mile-per-hour northerly winds here a short time ago. The winds are going to become more and more of a concern as we get into the afternoon. This is enough to swirl some of that snow around and push a lot of it over into the southeastern Montana in the form of blowing snow. So here we are now. The forecast for winds will push those winds over to the eastern plains at a 15 to 25 miles per hour. We're going to have some areas of blowing snow, some minor drifting. It's fairly wet snow that's coming down in most locations. So we are looking at sloshy roadways, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, even a high wind warning down in through northern Wyoming here as we get into the afternoon, as the winds will continue to increase. So driving is going to be a big concern. This is going to be a hard time. We're in calving and lambing season right now, and that's going to be hard on young livestock as well. So satellite radar mix continues to show that push across the eastern plains. An upper low here, there's another low pressure area, so that's causing the upper level to develop into good snowmaking weather and some of that wind to go along with it. But the overall trend is to clear out during the afternoon and evening hours, leaving us under this trough of low pressure. That's going to keep some cool air in place, and the morning temperatures are going to be chilly again. We could be anywhere from single digits below zero to the teens above. A chilly start for this late in the season, with a few showers. Overall, Tuesday shapes up to be a fairly quiet weather day. The temperatures are colder than average, and then we'll actually see a bit of a warm up across most of the area on Wednesday as this warm front starts to move in, but that's just going to trip off more rain and snow showers towards the middle of the week, especially for central and western Montana. That'll start to push across the eastern plains, so we really don't escape the chance of showers pretty much all week. So today we have winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings scattered across the area, and most of the temperatures aren't going to be much different for the highs than they are right now. In fact, some readings have already started to drop here, and they're just going to get colder through the afternoon and evening. Lows overnight anywhere from a little below zero to the teens above. The wintry weather will start to wind down during the evening hours, leaving us tomorrow with 20s, 30s, some patchy morning fog. We could see some 40s in western Montana and through northern Wyoming for tomorrow, but the sunshine at least will take a little edge off that. The chance of showers redevelops around Kalispell and Missoula on Wednesday. Wednesday night, Great Falls and Helena, you start to see another round of showers move in, not like we're seeing now, more likely a rain-snow mix. Same thing around Butte and Bozeman. Temperatures try to warm up on Wednesday afternoon. Glendive remains chilly. Billings could see some showers late Wednesday. There's the weather. Now more news.